How to set a reminder on Notion. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps and how you can set a reminder on Notion. Well, first things first, what you want to do is you want to head over to the particular page that you wish to set a reminder on within Notion. So I'm on this page. Now all you gotta do is, suppose you have this project here, you want a reminder on it, then you can simply type in first @ and then type in REMIND. So you can say remind me here. So you can tap on remind me here. You can see I've set it to remind me tomorrow. Now what you can also do is you can clear this, and suppose you want it for specific date, then you can type in reminder. Now once you have set it to reminder here for tomorrow, you can click on this clock icon here, and then you can set it for you to remind on. For example, you want to remind on 11th here, you can set it to 11th, and then you can see edit date here, date format, and you can see if you want to include time when you want it to for you to remind here. So you can set it this way. So this is how you can set a reminder on Notion. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.